A plano-convex lens fits exactly into a plano-concave lens. Their plane surfaces are parallel to each other. If lenses are made of different materials of refractive indices mu1 and mu2, and r is the radius of curvature of the curved surfaces of the lenses, then what is the focal length of this combination? This problem involves a plano-convex lens and a plano-concave lens fitted together with the parallel plane surfaces and made of materials with refractive indices mu1 and mu2 respectively. Let's calculate effective focal length of this combination. The focal length f of a lens is given by the lens maker's formula, that is 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here, mu is refractive index of a lens material, r1 and r2 are radii of curvatures of two surfaces, and r1 is greater than 0 if the surface is convex, and r1 is less than 0 if it is concave, and r1 is equal to infinity for a plane surface. For the plano-convex lens, mu is equal to mu1. One surface is plane, which means r1 is equal to infinity. So 1 by r1 is 0, and the other surface is convex, which means r2 is equal to minus r, since it is the opposite to light's direction. Substituting all these into the lens maker's formula, we get 1 by f1 is equal to mu1 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 by minus r. From the lens maker's formula, we have mu is mu1 and 1 by r1 is nothing but 0 and r2 is minus r, which is equal to mu1 minus 1 by r. For the plano-concave lens, mu is equal to mu2. One surface is plane, which means r1 is equal to infinity. So 1 by r1 is equal to 0. The other surface is concave, which means r2 is equal to r. Substituting these into lens maker's formula again, we get 1 by f2 is equal to mu2 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 by r, which is equal to minus of mu2 minus 1 by r. The effective focal length f of two lenses in contact is given by 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Now we have 1 by f1 and 1 by f2 values, and substituting these values into the equation, we get 1 by f is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r. Therefore, the effective focal length f is reciprocal of the obtained answer, which means f is equal to r by mu1 minus mu2. So the right answer is option B, r by mu1 minus mu2.